Oh, PFSA trying to go green. Switch back over to PFSA, guys. We are pushing here. We're down to the final 1 minute candle of the 5 minute candle. So zoom into the 1 minute time frame. This 1 minute candle needs to close green. Got 30 seconds left. It's going to have to turn it around. Currently red. PFSA. It's trying to. It's going to be close. It might not even break out. Nope, it did not break out. Zoom back over to the 5 minute time frame. This 5 minute candle closed right below the level. All right, PFSA is still alive. We're still waiting for a 5 minute candle to confirm. And they suck. PFSA definitely looks like it's going to break out on this 5 minute candle. This is going to be the stock here. If we take any trades before 10 a.m., it's going to be this one. Pull it up, pull it up. PFSA halted. PFSA is halted. All right, let's break it down. We got ourselves a candle close with a halt. Same thing as yesterday with WETO, I believe was the ticker. Our breakout level was established right here. That was the high for the day. Pull back all the pre-market. Market open, we pop, boom. We break above this 1198 level that we had set. 5 minute candle gets halted before it can fully close. So it got halted at 951. This 5 minute candle started at 950. You zoom into the 1 minute time frame. You'll see that the 950 candle was red, 951 was red, and then as the 952 candle is forming, it pops up, closes green, gets halted to the upside. So in that situation, I do count this as a candle close. This 5 minute candle does count as a candle close. And this 1 minute candle that pops right here, I count this as the first 1 minute candle, right? Now, that's obviously not our entry because if you try and hit the buy button right now, be my guest, it's not going to fill you. It's halted. You can't buy or sell the stock right now, which means our entry is going to be the open of the next candle, or would theoretically be like just from if we were just trading closes of 5 minute candles. The reason why I say that and the reason why that's important is the open of the next candle cannot be higher than 15% above this 1198 level. So let me go ahead and map that out over here. 1377. Yeah, 1377 is the cutoff point. So what I'll actually just do is delete that rectangle, make it easy. Put a line right at 1377. And we'll call that the gun line. PFSA. When that next 5 minute candle opens up, it must be below 1377 here. If that open is any higher than that, I got to skip it. If it does open up below 1377, then we're just waiting for the next 1 minute candle to close green. That next 1 minute candle closes green. Boom, that's green light special. We're in there for 15% take profit, 20% stop loss because this stock is from the United States. Halts just make everything a little bit more confusing. Yes, Jim, you are correct. We do need the next 1 minute candle to close green. You got it. And we got halted at 951. So if it's a 5 minute halt, it should be 956 right here. All right, it's unhalted. Are you guys ready? 1 minute candle has, hold on. Oh my God. Oh, I'm tripping. I did not. Oh my God. I was yapping. I didn't have it pulled up. I should have got, all right. I'm in. I just got, I got filled. Why did I get filled so high? All right. I'm in. I should have got in at 1360. I got filled at 1399 because I was bullshitting. Take profit should be, I'm putting take profit at 1561. Stop loss is at 1086. Comment down below. Let me know if you guys got in. Take profit is at 1561. Stop loss is at 1086. Halt up price is $15.15. We might get halted before it goes and hits take profit. It just changed to 1557. I think it's going to get halted right before it hits. Go ahead, take profit. Fill me. Fill my order. Take profit's at 1561, but I'm still in it. I think it just got halted up at 1557. It did get halted up at 1557. Oh, I think I just got, oh, I got sold. It just sold my order. Oh, it's still going. Guys, it's still going. I think we got halted for real this time. Yeah, we just got halted for real. If you're a day trader with over $10,000 in your portfolio and you're looking for a quick 15% strategy and you're available from 9 a.m. till 12 p.m. EST, I want you to take this strategy. I want you to use it. For context, my name is Andrew, and over the past 15 months, I've backtested over 3,979 trades for one reason and one reason only. It's because I want to know what truly has a direct correlation to win rate based off of historical data. I don't like trading with intuition because I work hard for my money. I got a family. I'm sure you do too. And by filtering through all of these variables up here at the top, I'm able to find very specific edges. So let's dive into this exact setup. This is where it'd be nice for you to get a paper and pen and actually write this down. From 9 a.m. all the way till 12 p.m. EST, excluding 10:01 to 10:30. Must confirm breakout during these time frames. The second part is going to be free float. Free float are the amount of available shares for retail traders like me and you to trade. You can find this on your broker. Next part is going to be the market cap. What works best for this strategy if the market cap of the company is below 50 million. Now that you have those variables, let me go over the current stats. Out of the past 123 trades, 86 of them have run for 15% with a 69% win rate. Now I will say over the past week, as the market has been pulling back, this strategy has not worked as well, and I have taken a couple losses. So I do suspect that this win rate is going to come down to around 67% with the previous week. But overall, for the past 12 months, it's been pretty damn consistent, and you can see the equity curve down here at the bottom with 75 green days and 36 red days overall, with a 67% chance to be actually green. The second part that I want to go over here is the actual take profit. For this specific strategy, the winner for the past 15 months has been 15%, but if I type in 16% right here, you'll actually be able to see that 16% is slightly beating out 15% as it loads up here. You can see the net profit would be $56,400, position size of $10,000 on every single trade. That's assuming that you execute it perfectly. And again, past performance is not a promise of future results or anything like that. I don't know if this setup is going to perform the same way over the next 12 months. I can only give you the historical data. So now let's actually jump into an example. So right here on the tracker, you'll be able to see the last recorded breakout that I have right here, which is July 21st, 2026. The ticker is CPHI, the breakout level 107, and the time the stock broke out is at 9:50. So I'm going to jump over to Webull here and actually show you how to pull this up. So I already have it pulled up, but all you have to do is go to CPHI, type that in for the ticker, right click on the chart, go to the go to option right here, click on 721, click on 950, click on OK, and it's going to bring up the chart here, and I'm super zoomed in. The first thing I need you to do to be able to go out here and replicate this and follow this strategy yourself is you got to get really good at setting breakout levels, which is just really just a level of resistance, but I have very specific rules for how I set those levels. And one of the very specific rules that I have is that when we get a breakout, the level of resistance must be higher than 17% above the previous close. So the previous close on this stock was right here at around 91 cents. So if I measure out the distance from 91 cents up to this level of resistance where it got rejected, you'll be able to see right here in the gray box that this is at 17.5%, which put it just above the threshold for me to count that as a legit breakout level. And then on the 5-minute time frame, the next thing you'll see is that the 5-minute candle right here closed above 107. And at what time did it do that? It broke out right here at 9:50 a.m. As this 5-minute candle closes above our breakout level of 107, that's when I get confirmation that there's a breakout. And here's one of the big breakthroughs that I had. One of the things that I started tracking is as this 5-minute candle is confirming breakout, what is the 1-minute time frame doing? So remember, the 5-minute candle closed at 9:50. So why don't we switch over to the 1-minute time frame? Let's go back to the exact same date, go to the 9:50, and then we'll go here, we'll zoom all the way in, and you'll be able to see that the last 1-minute candle at 9:50 closed green. So that's the first confirmation that must happen in order for me to take this trade. And then the real true confirmation for me to hit the buy button is this next 1-minute candle also must close green as well. As soon as that next 1-minute candle closes green, I enter a position right at the close when there's 1 second left on that candle. The best take profit for this strategy is 16%. I've also tested to see where the best place to put the stop loss. You can get away with a 17% stop loss, and it's very profitable for this strategy. However, what's been a little bit more consistent and has taken the place of the 17% stop loss is a 20% stop loss. And I know the risk is greater than the reward on this trade, but the thing is we're trading these momentum stocks, and a lot of times they have very volatile moves, and they'll make a quick wick down, and then after that they'll bounce. If you made it this far in the video, I know you care about your trading. You want to take it to the next level, and I want to challenge you to go down there and apply for one-on-one training with me right now. I've backtested over 3,900 momentum stock breakouts, tracked over 15 different variables, and I have found 5 setups that have averaged around a 65 to 70% win rate. And I want to show 5 more students those exact setups. I want you to trade live with me every single day, and I want you to stop guessing and actually start making decisions based off historical data. You work hard for your money, which means you don't want to gamble it. If you want to gamble your money, go to the casino. You sit down in front of the charts. You want to make good decisions for yourself and for your family, which means you need the historical data. I'll show you my system. These are going to be one-on-one calls. You'll be working with me directly. So if that sounds beneficial to you, go down there, apply for one-on-one training right now, and I can get you live trading with me ASAP as soon as tomorrow. Talk to you soon.